the formation of the letters and letter sounds. Vowels. A, apple. A is for apple. A, elephant. E is for elephant. I, iguana. I is for iguana. O, orange. O is for orange. U, umbrella. U is for umbrella. Consonants. B, ball. B is for ball. C, corn. C is for corn. D, drums. D is for drums. F, flower. F is for flower. G, guitar. G is for guitar. H, hat. H is for hat. J, jacket. J is for jacket. K, kite. K is for kite. L, lemon. L is for lemon. M, mango. M is for mango. N, nest. N is for nest. P, pumpkin. P is for pumpkin. Q, queen. Q is for queen. R, ring. R is for ring. S, sun. S is for sun. T, tomato. T is for tomato. V, vase. V is for vase. W, whale. W is for whale. X, X-ray. X is for X-ray. Y, yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo. Z, zebra. Z is for zebra.